Hang on.
it's -8?
That would be true if it was 1x squared. This is 2x squared.
Yeah, it's mine. Isn't it -8?
How'd you get my say?
2 times -4?
I was talking about part A, sorry.
Oh, okay. Is it not -5?
Uh, Factorize out 2 from everything.
Oh, it's -5/2.
I think so.
I didn't know you had to do that.
Let's see. Oops.
Oh, yeah, you did.
There you go. Yeah, C over A for times.
C over AL 2
Close?
-2.
Yeah.
I don't get that because when we learned like factorization, I don't know, but our teachers told us that like it has to add up to the middle number and then multiply to the like other numbers.
That's true if A is 1.
Okay, so it only works for x squared.
Um, yes, so it would just be that divided by A.
Okay. Uh,
So maybe it would help if we just kind of saw where it came from. Ax squared plus bx plus c. If you factorize out A, you get,
okay.
your thing. Expand it and then refactorize a little bit. Let's see. So ax squared minus a times alpha plus beta. Is it alpha and beta? Plus a times alpha times beta.
Mm-hmm.
So b is the coefficient. B equals minus a. Alpha plus beta. Yeah, so alpha plus beta would be b over minus a. Yeah, just divide everything by a to begin with.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, divide everything by a to begin with.
I didn't have to do the.
Uh, why do you ask me these questions? Do we have... Hang on. Without solving the equation. So just in general. 1 over alpha plus 1 over beta. Let's write these down. So there was alpha plus beta in general is b. Sorry, is minus b over a. Sorry,
Yeah.
alpha is minus b over a. So this should be positive. Minus b over a. Alpha times beta is
C over A, I think.
where am I going?
Yeah.
Positive c over a. Do we make alpha and beta the subject or something?
Wouldn't you? Oh, I think you would just, the first equation, you would just like reciprocal. So it would just be -A over B
Okay.
or A over minus B. A over minus B, I think.
That's very clever. Like that type of thing. And
Yeah.
so minus a over b.
I don't know if
Yes.
that's right though.
Yeah, no, that's mathematically correct. Minus a over b.
A.
They should have just said in terms of a, b, and c, something like that.
Oh.
Okay. A squared, alpha squared, b squared.
Wait, wouldn't it just, instead of -A over B, would it be -2 over -5? Because you know what the numbers are.
Oh, yes, that's why. Minus
So
2.
just 2 over 5.
So it is 2 over 5. Okay. And
Uh,
d.
I'm trying to figure out how to do D.
A squared plus b squared. My guess is we square this one.
But that wouldn't give you a alpha squared plus beta squared.
So if you square that,
So
you get
you have
alpha
to do
squared
minus 2ab.
minus 2 alpha beta.
Yeah.
And so bring it to the other side. Alpha squared plus beta squared equals 2 alpha beta. And what is alpha times beta?
Minus 2.
Yeah. Equals?
Minus 4.
Yeah, that is it. Hopefully that's it. 5 over 2 minus 2. 2 over 5 minus 4. 5 over 2 minus 2. Minus 5 over 4. What the? Huh?
Okay, that was wrong.
Alpha squared plus beta squared. They wanted alpha squared plus beta squared. Alpha squared plus beta.
Oh, you didn't, you have to do alpha plus beta squared plus 2ab is equal. So it should be alpha plus beta squared minus 4. No, yeah. Because when you rearrange this equation, you have to have like the a plus b bracket squared as well in the equation.
Ah, yes, yes, yes. And alpha, what is alpha plus beta?
5 over 2.
Yeah. So 5 over 2 squared minus 4.
I think it's going to be plus 4. Wait, no. When you do 5 over 2 squared minus 4, it gives you 9 over 4. But I'm not sure if it should be plus or minus. But plus gives you 41 over 4, which I think is the right answer. Yeah.
41. So that was minus minus. Because it's just, they didn't bring it across anywhere.
Okay.
They did it like completing the square type of thing.
Mm-hmm.
And so you just replace
But I didn't get
two
like
values. Yes, 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 yes. So it's literally just, so that's as an identity. As an identity. Alpha plus beta squared.
Oh, I get that bit, but I didn't get part C.
Oh, question C?
Yeah. I didn't get that bit because they did something different.
Oh, we're not right about that. Oh, our method does not work at all. Nope. Oh, it's because they're not the same thing, that's why. 1 over... that's not right. Just add the two together algebraically.
Okay. Yeah, you'd have alpha plus beta over alpha times beta. And then you just substitute the values, I think. Yeah.
And so that first one
So
was
you
5
do
over
5
2.
over 2 over minus 2.
Oh, minus 2. I'll do it that way.
Yeah.
5 over minus 4. That's it. Okay, any questions there?
No. Not now.
Okay, backwards time.
Oh, it gave you like the formulas. So one of them is equal to C over A. When you multiply them, right?
Alpha times beta, yeah.
Is equal to C over A. Okay, that's not really helpful, but
That was it.
I guess you could like rearrange for A and then put it in the first equation or something.
um,
I don't really know how to solve.
ba, 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 ba. There's a few different ways of doing this. So I think the easiest would be, so if you were to work backwards,
Mm-hmm.
0 equals -2. Hang on. No.
I mean, couldn't you just like, if you know what the roots are, you can just make the brackets and then you can just expand the brackets.
So that's what I'm thinking.
Wouldn't that be like the easiest?
So x equals mine. Oh, it's, yeah.
So you do like x plus 3 over 2 and then x minus 5 over 4 and then just expand the brackets.
Let's see. Sorry, x. Yeah, that was correct. X equals -3 over 2.
Mm-hmm.
And so you said x plus, was it?
Yeah, like the bracket would be.
Factors can't be fractions.
No, I mean like when you factorize and then you have like brackets at the end, like
Okay, go for it.
factorize something. So if you know like if the root's like -1, then the bracket has to be like x plus 1 like that.
Yeah.
Oh, but it can't be a fraction, so it's like 3x plus 2 or something. Is that right? Or 2x plus 3?
2x plus 3.
Yeah.
And the other one?
Wait, why would we? Oh, yeah, no. Okay. And then 4x plus 5. Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
And then
Why not?
just. And not so. Okay. And then just expand them.
Plus 15. Is that it?
I think so.
Let me see.
I didn't expand it, but I could.
See, one thing I'm thinking is this -3 over 2. That could have been -6 over 4 and simplified
Okay,
down.
you don't know.
And something similar with the other one. I'm going to try these simultaneously. So how could you eliminate a from these?
You could rearrange like one of them and then substitute in the other one. Like the first one, you could do C over alpha beta is equal to A.
Yeah.
And then you could substitute in the second one.
Yeah.
So it would be minus B over C over alpha beta.
And I'll just do it as divided by
Yeah, it's easier.
beta.
By the reciprocal. So
Yeah.
you just solve it.
Okay.
That might be useful.
What's next?
And then you could substitute like alpha plus beta and then like multiply it as well since you know what they are.
Yeah. So alpha is -3 over 2.
Yeah.
You can go for it.
That's 5 over 4. So when you add them, you get minus quarter.
-1/4 is equal to.
And then when you multiply them, minus 15 over 8. You multiply. So it's c over minus 15 over 8.
So minus 15 over 8. Is it minus 15b over 8c, is it?
Wouldn't it be? Yeah, I think so.
Okay, that's one equation involving b and c.
I suppose, like, to make life easier, you could cross multiply, but you don't have to.
Yeah.
Just think it would be easier.
Minus 8c. Oh, we can just say 8c.
No, it is minus 8c.
Like they're both
Oh, yeah.
minus.
Okay, yeah, they're both minus. It cancels out.
Actually, we just hit a problem.
Why?
60b.
Why is there a problem?
4, 2, 1, 30, 15, 75. Let's just say 2c is 15b. Because we have two equations but three unknowns. Am I right?
Yeah. But now you have two unknowns because you could substitute C or B at something.
Yeah, but what?
Like C is equal to 15 over 2B.
But what do you do then? We've
Then
already...
you have everything. Wouldn't you have everything in terms of B? Wait, no, you'd still have... Yeah, you got rid of A.
So C is 7.5b, let's say.
Yeah. Like that one. Wait, that equation says A is equal to C over... Wait, no, that's still not helpful. Never mind. I don't really know.
Because if you go back to the beginning, we have A, B, and C. So we only have two equations. Okay, I think our first method was good. Yeah. We got it the first time. So minus 1 over 4 is minus...
I don't think we got it the first time.
Didn't 8, 2, and minus 15? Oh, no, we did not. We absolutely did not. So what was this one? And then they just multiply everything by 8.
Oh, they like equated them together? Like minus quarter equals B over A.
Yeah, minus B over
Then
A.
you get A is 8 and A is 4. So how does that work?
It's because the fraction simplifies down. So that one is the same as minus 2 over 8. That's what I was saying about our one. Like, we can't really know for certain, you know.
Yeah, it's true.
Okay.
This is kind of confusing.
Yeah, so we'll just use those simple ones and go from there. Okay, let's see. Oh, wow.
That got hard real fast.
Hang on. So I just took those in. Okay, hang on. Boom. Hello. Here we go. It's because none of them are exam questions, would you believe? Yeah. So I'll do 4 or 5. Okay, let's try this.
So alpha plus beta is equal to minus B over A. And then alpha times beta is equal to C over A. So you add them. So minus 1 is equal to minus B over A. And minus 6 is equal to C over A. Yeah.
Yeah.
So would that just mean A is equal to 1?
Looks like it. Sub them into a quadratic.
So x squared plus x minus 6 is equal to 0.
Yeah, and if we were to solve that, I think we would get two answers, 2 and 3.
Yeah, so
Okay, question 5.
so it's the same thing.
The fractions now.
Yeah, but the same method.
All right.
Mm. So when you add them, it's minus 5 over 6 is equal to minus b over a.
Minus 5 over 6?
Yeah. And multiply this 1 over 6 is equal to c over a. So 6x squared
Right.
plus 5x plus 1.
That's it. Oh no. Are you there?
Yeah.
Wow.
Frozen, but then it unfroze.
No, like my computer shut down. That's not supposed to be possible. Okay. Put this into your calculator and solve it and see what you get.